that was rushing up and over. It would rush up and over, then drop down into the spill. Now there's a great big huge tunnel that runs up underneath us on this road that we're on. So the water would rush up and over, that is over 900 feet down. So you're gonna, folks on the left, stand up, because this is the only time you're gonna get it. There it is.
Look at
And
that.
then dropping down into the tunnel there to the right of us. Now the lines that you folks see here in the mountain range, that is actually where they came out again and blasted out the road. So, now, my mic, there we go. Now we will be making one more stop, and that's going to be your bathroom stop in about 40 minutes. Everybody good? All right. Look, I don't want to sink anybody out. Water out. But definitely no bombshells are allowed in my bathroom. Pucker up, baby. Pucker up. Alright, if you have any trash, please at this time get ready to dispose of it. This is about a 10-minute stop. That's all it is. Alright?